Welcome to the Essential Guide on 2026 Tax Filing for Beginners in the USA. We're here to help you secure your maximum refund. Are you paying $1,200 extra in taxes? 40% of Americans overpay the IRS every year. Don't be one of them. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to file your 2026 taxes as a beginner and ensure you get your maximum refund by the April 15th deadline. Stick around. Hey, I'm your go-to for USA money tips. Filing taxes feels scary if you're new, like for the 70 million first-timers this season. Most beginners miss crucial deductions or choose the wrong tax software, which can easily cost you hundreds of dollars. Today, we're giving you a clear, step-by-step guide for filing your 2026 taxes, including all the new Trump-era tax changes you need to know about. Let's break the process down into 4 simple, actionable steps. Go ahead and pause the video to grab a notebook. Step 1. Gather all your necessary documents and do this now. This includes your W-2s for wages, 1099s for gig or side hustle income, and receipts for potential deductions like charitable giving or student loan interest. Pro tip: if your income is under $89,000, you are eligible to use the IRS Free File program at absolutely no cost. Remember, all these forms must arrive by January 31st, 2026. Now for step 2. Choosing the right method to file your taxes. You have a few choices. For free filing, look into IRS Free File or VITA, which is helpful if you meet certain income or age criteria. For ease and speed, apps like TurboTax or H&R Block offer guided questions and fast e-filing. Try to avoid mailing Form 1040, as it results in slower refunds. A major change for 2026 is the increase in the standard deduction. It jumps to $15,750 for single filers and $31,500 for married couples filing jointly. Only itemize if your total deductions exceed this amount, such as large mortgage interest payments. Time for step 3, filling out your form and claiming big wins through deductions. You will use Form 1040. Key 2026 updates include the extension of Trump tax cuts, resulting in lower brackets for the middle class. Be sure to claim credits like the child tax credit, which is up to $2,000 per child. If you're a gig worker, deduct expenses like home office costs or mileage. E-file for the fastest refund, with direct deposit often arriving in 21 days. Finally, step 4, filing and ensuring timely payment. The firm deadline for filing your taxes is April 15th, 2026. If you owe taxes and need more time, pay an estimate and file an extension using Form 4868 to push the filing deadline to October 15th. This helps you avoid late penalties. You can easily track the status of your refund using the official IRS Where's My Refund app. Avoid these common traps that trip up most beginners and cost them money. Don't file late, as penalties stack up quickly. Be sure to report all gig income, as audits are increasing. Lastly, don't skip free filing options for pricey preparers. Which step surprises you most? Comment tax ready below. Hit like if this saved you stress, and subscribe for weekly 2026 finance hacks. Grab my free 2026 tax checklist PDF in the description. See you next time. Build that wealth.